polynomial graph. First, what is we have to solve the graph for which we are required x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. It is basically we are dealing in coordinate geometry, that is two-dimensional geometry, and in x-axis, suppose that we have to make the graph of y equals to x. Okay? So we have to make a box, okay, of x and y. Okay? In x, if we will put x equals to 0, y we will get at 0. If we will put x equals to 1, y equals to 1. If we will put x equals to 2, y equals to 2. Okay? So we have to, if we will put x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 1. So now we will put all these points on x coordinates and y coordinates. So if you will put 0 0, then we will get the origin. If you will put 1 1, 1 1, again we will get this point. This is perpendicular to 1. This is perpendicular to 1. We will get this point. Next we will put 2. We will get 2 for x is equals to 2, y is equals to 2. So we will get point 2 2. Similarly, if we will put minus 1, we will also get minus 1. So next point will be this. If we will join all these points, so we will get a straight line. This is a straight line, and this is also the curve of. This is the graph of the curve y is equals to x. This is the graph of the curve y is equals to x. So y is equals to x is a straight line. Y is equals to x is a straight line. Y is equals to x is a straight line. Now we will see the graph of y is equals to x square. For x is equals to 0, we will get y is equals to 0. If we will put x is equals to 0 over here, we will get y is equals to 0. If we will put 1, it will also get 1. Okay? Next, if we will put 2, then we will get 4. Okay? If we will put minus 1, we will get also 1. So we will now draw it on the x coordinates and y coordinates. So again we will get the point 0 0. Again 1 1. These 2 points are same as in y is equals to x. Now we will put x is equals to 2. When we will put x is equals to 2, y we will get 4. This point. And if we will put minus 1, we will get the point is equals to 1. This is minus 1 1. Okay? For x is equals to minus 1, we will get y is equals to 1. So we will draw perpendicular from minus 1 and 1, and they will meet over this point. So this is my minus 1 and 1. And now we will join all these points. So y is equals to x square. Graph comes like this. This is actually a parabola. So we have got the graph of y is equals to x square. Y is equals to x. This graph looks like this. Now we will draw the graph of y is equals to x cube. Okay. So we will put x is equals to 0, y is equals to again 0. Putting x is equals to 0. Okay. Y we will get 0. If we will put x is equals to 1, we will get y is equals to 1. If we will put x is equals to 2, this time we will get y is equals to 8. Okay. Again, if we will put minus 1, okay, we will get minus 1. Okay. So the graph looks like this. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, this is x dash, negative x, or this is y dash, negative y. So we will put the first point we will get is 0 0. Again, if you will put 1 and 1, this is common for most of the linear graphs. And then we will get 2 and 8. So we will come to 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Somewhere like over here, 2 and 8. Okay. And now we will get -1 and -1. -1 and -1. Okay. So the graph will be looking like this. This is the graph of y is equals to x cubed. So we have got the graph of y is equals to x cubed like this. This is y is equals to x cubed. Graph is like this. This is the y is equals to x square. The graph is looking like this. Okay. Now we will go on the graph of x to the power 4. Okay. The graph of x to the power 4. Doing the same geometries. X is equals to 0. Y is equals to 0. X is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1. X is equals to 2. Okay. Y is equals to 2 to the power 4. Okay. That is coming is 16. X is equals to -1. Y is equals to 1. The graph will look like this from 1 to 1. Okay. This point will be there. Then this point will be there. Again 2 and 16. 2 and 16 somewhere like over here. Okay. And -1 and -1, that is common. Sorry, -1 and 1. The graph will look like this. This is the graph of x to the power 4. So the graph of x to the power 4 looks like this. X to the power 4, y is equals to x to the power 4. Now y is equals to x to the power 5. One more graph I am taking like this. So we will get again we will calculate x and y. We will get the graph like this. This will be more. The slope will be more steeper than x cube, and the slope will be more steeper than x4 also. Okay. So the graph will look like this. Okay. Y is equals to x to the power 4. Okay. Now we will try to draw all the graphs all together. This is y is equals to x. Perfect 45-degree angle. Okay. This is y is equals to x. Okay. Now this is y is equals to x square. Y is equals to x square. Okay. Now we will get the third graph is y is equals to x cube. Okay. It will be more steeper. Y is equals to x cube. Y is equals to x cube. Okay. And this will be going like this. Y is equals to x cube. Okay. Next is y equals to x to the power 4. Y is equals to x to the power 4. It will move like this. Y is equals to x to the power 4. Okay. It will move like this. Y is equals to x to the power 4. Okay. This is y equals to x square, and this is y equals to x cube. Okay. Next is y equals to x to the power x square, x cube, x to the power 4. There will be one more graph, that is x to the power y is equals to x to the power 5. Okay. It will be going like this. This will not move in this coordinate. It will be all in third coordinate only. Okay. This is y equals to x to the power 5. Okay. So if we will summarize all this, okay. So on all the graphs, okay, whose x to the power y is equals to x to the power even. Those graphs will look like this. Okay. And y is equals to x to the power odd. Those graphs will look like this. This is the summarization of all the graphs we have dealt till now. इस summary से ठीक ना what is the graph of y is equals to x to the power 8 look like. Okay, so we will this is the graph that will look like y is equals to x to the power 8, x to the power 17. ठीक है. Okay, the graph will look like this, x to the power 17. y is equals to x to the power 7. Now we will make small changes in the graph we have seen. Okay. Suppose that y is equals to x plus 1. Okay. So there is a constant term, that is y is equals to x, that is 1. So we will draw the first graph of y is equals to x. We can also do like y for x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1, y is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. You can also do like this. But now I am saying in other way. Okay. This is y equals to x. Okay. We will go 1 unit upwards. This is 1. Now we will draw a parallel graph similar to this from this point. This is y equals to x plus 1. Okay. If we have y equals to x plus 1, so that graph will be 1 unit upwards. Okay. If we have y equals to x minus 2, okay, that will be 2 units downwards. This is y equals to x minus 2. Okay. If we have y equals to x plus 3, okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 3 units upwards. Same graph parallel to parallel graph y equals to x plus 3, x plus 5, 2 units more upwards. Okay. Now y equals to x square plus 2. Okay. So similar to first we have to draw. We can also do y equals to x equals to 0, y equals to 2, x equals to 2, y equals to 6, like that. Okay. But we will see another way. This is y equals to x square, y equals to x square, and plus 2. This graph, the same graph, 2 units apart, 1 unit, 2 unit, parallel to this line. Okay, this is y equals to x square plus 2. Okay. Next is y equals to x square minus 3. X square minus 3. Okay. Same graph, y equals to x square minus 3. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. This is the same graph. Parallel to this and but 3 units downwards. This is y equals to x square minus 3. Okay. X square minus 5, 3 units downwards. Y equals to x square minus 5. Okay. Now, if someone will say, we have to draw a graph of y equals to x cube plus 3. Similarly, x cube. Draw the graph of x cube. Draw the graph of x cube. Okay. This is the graph of x cube. Y equals to x cube. Okay. And plus 3. 3 units upwards. 1, 2, 3. Same graph, 3 units upwards. This is y equals to x square plus 3. Y equals to x cube minus 5. Sorry, x cube plus 3. Okay. X cube minus 5, 5 units downwards. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Same graph, 5 units downwards. This is x square minus 5. Y equals to x square minus 5. This is x axis, this is y axis. Okay. Someone will say x6 plus 6. So we have to do nothing. Make the graph of x6. x6 graph will like this. X to the power 6, 6 units upward. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units upwards. This is x to the power 6. Okay. Now someone will say, okay, draw the graph of y equals to 2x square. Okay. Now we have changed. We have multiplied x square by 2. Okay. This is x square graph. Y equals to x square. Okay. Now x is 2x square. Okay. It will be just start from this point only and little more big. Okay. This will be y equals to 2x square. Okay. Someone will say y equals to x square by 2. Okay. is y equals to x square by 2. The graph is not exactly like this. Its nature is like this. The same points I am not dealing about it at -1 what will be the value, but the graph will look like this. Okay, if we have the reference, we can draw this also. This is y equals to x square by 2. Okay, if someone will say y equals to 3x square. Okay, y equals to 3x square. Y equals to 5x square. Y equals to 5x square. Okay. Now, if someone will say y equals to 3x square plus 3. Okay. The reference will be y equals to x square. This graph is y equals to x square. Okay. And now 3x square. Okay. That is this graph will be look like y equals to 3x square. Okay. And now 3x square plus 3. Okay. So it will be 3 units. This graph will move by 3 units upward. Okay. So I am taking this one. It will look like this. Okay. This is y equals to 3x square plus 3. Okay. This graph will look like y equals to 3x square plus 3. If someone will say, okay, give me x cube, 4x cube minus 3. Okay. And this graph is, x cube graph. This graph is x cube. It will be more deeper. 4x cube, more x cube, 4x cube. And now this graph will move by 3 units downwards. Move by 3 units downwards. So 1, 2, and 3. So this graph will look like this. This is y equals to 4x cube minus 3. Getting the point? Now y is equals to x square. Someone will say, please show me the graph of y equals to x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so we can get confused. So we have to draw y equals to y equals to x square. First we will draw y equals to x square. Y equals to x square. Okay. Now what we are doing? Okay. For y equals to x square plus 1, we will moving 1 unit upwards. Okay. For y equals to x square plus 1, we will moving 1 unit upwards. But now we have to put this quantity equals to 0. That is x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So x is equals to now minus 1. So now we have to move 1 unit leftward. Okay. So this is x is equals to minus 1. Okay. And the graph will start from here. This will be parallel. This will be parallel. Okay. So this graph is y equals to x plus 1 whole square. Someone will say, no, please draw the graph of y equals to x minus 2 whole square. Okay. So this is 1 unit, 2 units. We have to move 2 units this way. And this will be parallel. This will be parallel. Okay. So this is the graph of y equals to x minus 2 whole square. Okay. Someone will say, draw the graph of y equals to x minus 2 whole square minus 3. Okay. Now this is y minus x, y equals to x minus 2 whole square. We will go 3 units downwards. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. So this will be the graph of y equals to x minus 2 whole square minus 3. Okay. Someone will say, okay, draw the graph of y equals to 2 x minus 1 x minus 2 whole square minus 1. Okay. So we will draw this is the graph similar to x square. So we will move 2 units. That will be moved like this. Okay. So this will be y equals to 2x minus 1 x minus 2 whole square. ठीक है, again we have to do minus 1. Okay, so it will be 1 unit downwards. This graph, ठीक है, we will draw a parallel graph to this. We will draw a parallel graph to this 1 unit downwards. So it will be y equals to 2x minus 2 whole square minus 1. Okay, now moving forward. Suppose someone is telling, draw the graph of y equals to x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, so we will make a quadratic equation first. Y equals to 2 into plus 2 into 1 into x. So we will add one square. So it will be in form of x square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, plus 3 minus 1 square. So it will get as x plus 1 whole square minus sorry, it will be plus 2. Okay, the graph will be, now it's very easy to draw now. This is x square graph, and this is we have to put x plus 1 is equals to 0. That is x is equals to minus 1. So the graph will shift 1 unit in the leftward. So this is the graph of x plus 1 whole square. And the third thing we have to do is by 2 units we have to lift the graph. So by 2 units we have to lift the graph. Okay, so this graph will lift by 2 units. This is the graph of x square plus 2x plus 3.